Up, dude. The big one. Stand back from there for
Dude.
You want to do one at a time? Yeah, sir. You got it?
Yeah. You okay? Oh.
I hit it with a piece of glass.
Fuck. Are you alright?
No, I'm cool. Think about that. Damn, that was sick. Holy shit.
With the gun?
Yeah, dude, I dropped the gun. The motherfucker blew up right in my grill. Fuck, dude. My eye cool?
Kind of looks a little red right there.
Dude,
Is that where it hit you?
Fucking shit came back and smacked me, dude. Did you get it?
Yeah.
It was big?
Oh, dude.
I couldn't tell. I just saw a big flash. Here, Cordy, you can shoot this one, dude. That was. That was gnarly. Here, I'll do it. Yeah, you gotta pump it. Set it back up. How did that do that? Did it even break it?
Blew the top off and the gas is still in there.